Uh-oh. That sounds like Tom Moss. Oh, and a rascal Funling. That's not a good combination. Nearby, Gordon was racing around the track. He was proud of being one of the strongest and fastest engines on Sodor. But he ran into a rascal Funling.
Hello, Gordon. Wow, you are fast. I know something that will make you even faster.
Gordon was very interested.
Go on.
Well, the more tenders you have, the faster you go.
What? That's ridiculous.
Oh yeah? Then why does your brother, the Flying Scotsman, have 2 tenders?
Gordon thought that his brother had 2 tenders to cope with long distances, but maybe the Funling was right about it making him faster.
So, to make yourself faster, all you have to do is borrow someone else's tender.
Well, I guess I could give it a go.
And off he went.
The plan's working. He's going to do all of the hard work for us.
So Gordon searched for an engine with a tender. Henry was nearby having a nap, so Gordon carefully borrowed his tender.
Okay, let's see if this makes me any faster.
Strangely, Gordon felt as though he was going faster, even though he wasn't.
Haha! Maybe if I collect more tenders, I'd go even faster.
So he looked for more tenders. The Flying Scotsman was nearby filling up with water. And James was just around the corner, waiting at a signal.
Haha! I'll be the fastest train ever!
But the tenders were all quite heavy, so they actually slowed him down.
Oh, I'm not going any faster. I don't think this works. I guess I'll have to give everyone their tenders back.
But when he stopped at a signal, Tom took all of the tenders.
Oh no, I've lost everyone's tender. Oh, the indignity.
Gordon was very embarrassed. Luckily... Hi Gordon, are you alright?
No, a Funling told me that the more tenders I have, the faster I'd go. But then Tom Moss took all of the tenders from me.
Oh no! Sounds like you met a rascal Funling.
Oh, how am I going to get them back?
Don't worry, we'll help you.
Oh, thank you.
So they came up with a plan.
What? Why have you stopped? Uh-oh.
Thomas had put up a wall of cargo on the track. Hey Tom, I don't think you're strong enough to break it down. Tom wanted to prove Thomas wrong. Come on Tom, catch me if you can. Tom chased Thomas.
Uh-oh.
Okay Funling, change the points. They sent Tom back to his tunnel. Well done Funling, now to get the tenders back.
Oh, What am I supposed to do with 5 tenders? Huh?
Maybe you should use them to run away really quickly before I catch you.
Uh-oh. Run away! Well done, Gordon. You saved the tenders.
So he gave everyone their tender back.
I'm sorry for taking everyone's tender.
You don't need tenders to be fast.
Yeah, you're already the fastest engine on Sodor.
Only when I'm not around.
And they all laughed. So Tom and the rascal Funling may not have succeeded today, but I'm sure they'll work together again soon.